friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
Wait. No, that can't be right.
Ryan, what's wrong? Dad, why are you holding the ticket like that?
Because I think every number just matched. We might have won.
Read them one more time. 7, 14, 22. Please say it's all right.
It's all right. Every single one is right.
Where's the ticket? I just had it. What do you mean you just had it? It was right here.
Please don't let the winning ticket disappear. Nobody move. We search everything right now.
Check under the cushions again.
I'm telling you, it was right here.
Could it be in the popcorn? At this point, yes, it could be anywhere. Wait, I found it!
Yes, we did it. I thought we lost it before we even began.
Please never hand a winning ticket near crayons again.
So we're really lucky now?
Maybe, but first we have to prove it's real.
If this is real, our whole life changes tomorrow.
That's what scares me.
Scares you?
Money this big doesn't only bring choices, it brings problems too.
Do you think we'll get a giant house with a slide?
Maybe, or maybe Mom and Dad will be weirdly careful.
If I had lottery money, I'd buy cake every day.
That is exactly why children do not handle lottery.
Nobody touches the ticket except me.
Even if I'm extra careful? Especially not you, sweetheart.
You look more scared than excited. I've never driven this carefully in my life.
Good, because one pothole and I might scream anyway.
Why does everyone look like we're transporting a diamond? Because for us, we kind of are.
Will the officer confirm the ticket, or will this all collapse into a mistake?
Please wait while I confirm the serial and draw numbers.
Take your time.
He said that, but he definitely does not mean it. Just breathe.
If he says it's invalid, I may faint.
Then faint after the answer.
He just raised his eyebrows.
That has to mean something.
I hate mystery faces.
Congratulations, this ticket is authentic.
So, it's real?
It is a top prize claim.
Our life just changed in one sentence.
Shouldn't we all be screaming right now?
Maybe later. You look like you just heard good news and bad news together.
Because sometimes huge good news feels heavy too.
We need a plan before the world starts giving us one.
Bills, savings, school, the house, that all comes first.
And after that?
After that, I want to make sure money doesn't change who we are.
Mr. Ryan, local families love hearing stories like yours. May we ask how you feel?
Overwhelmed, honestly.
We're not ready for cameras.
The lottery came with microphones.
Just a quick comment?
Please, no.
Unknown number again.
I haven't even told half my friends. How do strangers know we have money?
Because news travels faster when money is attached to it.
I still want the giant house with the slide. I'm just looking at gaming rooms, not deciding anything.
Dreams are fine, but first we fix what needs fixing.
That's exactly what makes this harder than people think. What do you do when your good fortune stands beside someone else's struggle?
I heard there was happy news, so I brought something sweet.
Mrs. Salma, is your house okay?
Old roofs complain more than old people sometimes. Most people would celebrate by buying something huge.
Maybe, but I remember when this garage had more unpaid repairs than hope.
So what do you want most?
To use this luck in a way I can still be proud of later.
I'm not against helping others, but we need security first.
I know that, but I don't want fear to make every choice selfish.
And I don't want generosity to turn into carelessness.
Then we need a way to do both.
Why are Mom and Dad upset if we're rich now?
Because money doesn't solve every feeling.
Then could it make things worse?
If people stop listening to each other, maybe. This place echoes too much. It feels like a hotel, not a home.
It's beautiful, but I don't feel us here.
Maybe bigger isn't better if it doesn't feel like ours.
I thought I wanted a giant house, but I missed our kitchen and our stairs that creak.
Funny how money can offer you more space but not more belonging.
So can we keep our real home?
People are curious whether you plan to move, invest, or donate.
People are curious because it's easy to imagine money from the outside.
So what do you want them to know?
That winning money deciding what kind of person you become with it. No more guessing what lottery money means. We talk as a family tonight.
No judgment, just honesty. Then I'll say it first. I don't want us to become weird, and I want us to still eat pancakes on Saturdays.
What if the best plan is not about buying more, but becoming more useful?
Can we fix the park slide so kids stop getting splinters? And maybe help the Loraines than a gold bathtub. Those are better ideas than a gold bathtub.
Good.
Maybe I was holding too tightly to fear.
And maybe I was pushing too quickly toward proving something.
Then we meet in the middle.
Security first, generosity with purpose, and home stays home. Your roof needs more than patchwork.
Old houses and old people both survive with little fixes.
Then maybe this time it shouldn't have to.
Ryan, you don't owe me that.
This is where I learned to love stories. It feels lonely in here.
It's been needing help for a long time.
Then maybe luck came to us with a map.
This is the slide I told you about. This could hurt a child.
A safe place to play should not be a luxury.
Then this should go on the list too.
The town is waiting to hear how you'll use the lottery prize.
We made our decision together.
This win won't only change one house.
Here we go.
We are paying off our debts, keeping our home, helping Mrs. Salma repair hers, restoring the children's library corner, and rebuilding the playground.
And keeping pancakes on Saturdays. This one's paid in full.
So is the hospital balance.
You both look lighter.
That's because fear can finally sit down. The roof looks great!
It really does. Thanks, guys.
Wow, can I help? Me too. Can I?
You got it, champ. Almost done. Thanks again.
Put the adventure books on the lower shelf.
And the fairy books near the beanbags.
This room already feels happier.
That's what good investments sound like.
It's really happening. And this one won't bite anyone with splinters.
That should be the official park slogan.
Let's maybe not put that on a sign. Most winners talk about what they bought. You keep talking about what you fixed.
Because broken things teach you what matters.
So money changed your life?
Yes, but choosing what to do with it changed my heart more.
Look, it's pouring perfectly.
That's it, just like that.
Can I have some tea? Okay, now it's cooking.
It smells wonderful. You're doing great.
Yay, pancakes.
I thought money would make me want a different life.
Maybe it just made us see this one clearly.
I don't want bigger walls. I want deeper peace.
Then I think we're finally spending wisely.
Restored playground opens at last. One family's fun will become a whole neighborhood's happiness.
Nobody's afraid of the slide anymore. This feels better than any mansion. You gave this street its heartbeat back.
Now this feels like winning.
Dad, if you knew how stressful this would be, would you still want the ticket to win?
Only if I still got all of you with it.
That means yes?
That means family is the part I'd never gamble. After the excitement, can they protect the future without losing the values they just found?
Education fund first.
Emergency savings next.
This is the most boring rich people scene ever. Yeah, but Mom looks really happy, so maybe boring is powerful. What story will people remember about Dad's lottery win? Some winners by headlines. This family built hope.
We just tried not to waste a strange gift.
And we learned not every blessing is for keeping. But pancakes are still for keeping.
It looks less scary on the wall. Mostly because it can't disappear into your sketchbook anymore.
That ticket changed our life once.
What we did after changed it again.
This ticket gave us a chance, but chances don't automatically become good stories.
People do that part.
Exactly. Luck opens doors. Character decides what enters.
Mom, why didn't the giant house make you smile the way the reading room did?
Because places feel rich when love fits inside them.
So money bought the room, but people made it beautiful?
Exactly. I've lived on this street for 30 years, and tonight it feels younger.
Maybe joy repairs more than roofs.
This is better than a fancy restaurant. And nobody here had to wear uncomfortable shoes.
I thought the lottery gave us money.
It gave us clarity, too. And a chance to choose who we are.
Also pancakes and a safe slide.
Winning the lottery didn't give us a better family.
It showed us how good this family already was.
The money was the surprise, but we were the treasure the whole time.